Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add new location on Facebook. What you need to do, first just go to Facebook and log in your account and then click here what's on your mind, and you see this icon check in. Just click here. I'm currently in Hanoi, Vietnam. That's why it shows some places in Hanoi. So I can choose one of them. Otherwise, just you can write here, where are you? Just you can type the place. For example, if I write okay, Starbucks Vietnam, this one, I choose it and then click post. This is what you need to do if you want to add new location on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.